Hello learners, welcome back to yet another program on Python program. Today we are going to write a program to check whether the given number is Armstrong or not. Now what do you mean by Armstrong? Armstrong number is a number whose each digits exponent of number of digits in that number gives the same number. So when I talk about 153, so 1's cube, 5's cube and 3's cube, if I try to sum up all this, I'm going to get 153. You can try it. Now let's start with writing the program. First, we are going to take the input from user. So for taking input from user, we are going to make use of num variable. So I've taken num int input enter a number. Let's see here. This is my comment just for you to understand. Here I'm going to initialize sum is equal to 0 because I want sum of all these digits. Then I'm going to make use of temp. I'm going to store the number so that I can differentiate this. I can remove one digit and I can calculate on it. So if you see here, I'm going to make use of while loop. So while temp is greater than 0, until the condition is true, we are going to do some operations. What are those? Let's say digit. Now here digit is, I'm going to remove 3. Separate out this 3 from 153. How I'm going to do that? With the help of modulus operator. You know modulus gives you remainder. So if I say I'll have temp mod 10. So this is going to give me digit 3 as the output. Now let's take sum. Indentation is very important. Sum plus. Now here we are going to take the exponent. So digit 3. For exponent we make use of double star. Here we are going to do hard coding. So already I have taken 3. Now I need to update this. Now once I have removed this, my temp should have 15. Now how will I get that? By the quotient. Now how will I get the quotient? Temp is equal to temp divided by 10. Now here if you see, divide is this. It gives me a float. Python's division operator gives output as a float. I don't want floating. I want integer. That's why we are going to make use of double slash. This will go until my variable is greater than 0. So if I say, so the output will be 27 for this, for first iteration, and here it will be 15. Okay, my bad. This is comment. This is for first iteration. For second iteration, I'll have 5 from this particular 15. Okay, after this, it will be 27 plus 5's cube, that is 125, which is going to give me 152. Here, that my temp variable will be updated as 1. Now, for third iteration, if I say, I will have 1. If I try to take cube of 1, it is be 1 only. So 152 plus 1's cube 1 is equal to, it will be 153. And my temp will be 0. So now if you see, if I now check for temp, is temp is greater than 0? No, the condition is false. Now it is going to come out of the loop. Here we are going to check if sum or if num is equal to sum. If this both are same, then print is an Armstrong number, else print is not an Armstrong number. Let's try to execute this. I'll take 153. As you can see here, we have got 153 and an Armstrong number. Let's try for another. If I say 123, this is not an Armstrong number. You might have understood. Thank you.